Hello everyone, I'm Viraj Patel, studying in BE Automobile. Today I will be presenting a paper presentation on design and development of stretcher cum wheelchair. My paper ID is PP12. Starting with the abstract, nowadays in India the number of disabled individuals is increasing every year. For patient mobility aids are useful for transportation and a replacement for walking, especially in indoor and outdoor environment as well. But there is always an issue faced by the attendant or nurse of transferring the patients from wheelchair to the stretcher or also to the medical bed. Introduction: mobilizing or shifting of patients from wheelchair to stretcher or vice versa causes discomfort. Hence, the present project proposes or development of wheelchair cum stretcher with ability to transfer patient from normal staircase, also with automated electric control over the stretcher cum wheelchair for movement and functioning. Literature analysis: we have gone through various review papers on this topic published by famous authors like a review on design and fabrication of multi-utility wheelchair, design and fabrication of stretcher cum wheelchair, design of stair climbing wheelchair using tri-wheel mechanism. Problem definition: after reviewing some review papers, we have come to know some problems that more space is required for the stretcher and wheelchair when they are placed separately. Shifting of patient from wheelchair to stretcher becomes difficult, and it is also difficult to shift the patient from one floor to another through stairs. The initial cost of the stretcher and the wheelchair is high. Concept: our concept is different from the original product. The backrest is providing with an adjustable handle with a comfortable holding position. The length can be adjusted by adjusting the knob. Tri-wheel system: in our project we are using the tri-wheel system in place of the normal wheel setup to enable the wheelchair to climb up and down the staircases, and also to overcome some small obstacles like holes and bumps in the path. Base and bed: we have used this base for our stretcher cum wheelchair. We have fitted the tri-wheel system using the pin lock system to this bed. Hydraulic jack mechanism: the hydraulic jack is used for the height adjustment and it also carries the load of the patient. The hydraulic jack can carry 2 tons of weight. Merits: the patient can control the device manually or with the help of someone's assistance. Increases the comfort level of patient and patient handling staff. Prevents damage to the patients while transferring from the wheelchair to stretcher. It occupies very less space. Easily converts from wheelchair to stretcher and vice versa. Emergency and serious patients who shall not be moved or disturbed from their position can be shifted. Shifting of patient is reduced, that is, conventional stretcher is not needed anymore. These are the dimensions which we use for our stretcher cum wheelchair. Cost estimation: our approx cost of the total project is 30,000. Future scope: a electric controlled hydraulic system can be used to adjust the height, which can be convenient for the attendant of or nursing staff. It can be operated or can be remote controlled. For now we are using a Tommy bar which adjusts the height of the hydraulic jack, and so the height of the bed can be moved up and down. Conclusion: our project is to develop a concept of wheelchair convertible stretcher with the motivation of saving space and prevent exertion of patient, as well as by making sure that the patient does not get hurt. The mechanism and safety of the patient were our main priorities while designing the stretcher cum wheelchair. Our study shows that it is possible to save 50% space by using the stretcher cum wheelchair rather than using wheelchair and stretcher separately. These are the references which we used for reviewing our project. Thank you.